scams happening in the trucking industry, identity scam is one of the most dangerous. They forge documents, create fake identities, take the load and the advance payment and just disappear. So the total advance paid was 1,89,600. But when we started tracking the truck through FASTag, we noticed something strange. Our further investigation, we discovered that the person driving the truck was not Mohammed Waris. It was Rahul Vyas. When we think about theft in trucking, we usually feel that someone is stealing while it's on the road. Among many scams happening in the trucking industry, identity scam is one of the most dangerous. Scammers act as brokers, truck owners, or transporters. They forge documents, create fake identities, take the load and the advance payment, and just disappear. A similar incident almost happened to us, but we identified it quickly and solved it immediately. In this video, I will explain how the identity theft happened, how we discovered and how we solved it and recovered our money. When unloading a truck owner on FR8 Loads app, we thoroughly verify all the documents, RC, PAN and Aadhaar card. Everything is checked properly. There are also online verification platforms where you can check if the document is original or fake by just entering details. In this case, RC, PAN, Aadhaar was submitted under the name of Mohammed Waris. We verified everything, the documents matched and there was no visible issues. Under the name Mohammed Waris, 2 loads were booked, Ambernath to Cochin, B1D to Sivagasi. In our app, we provide advance payment when the load is confirmed. For one trip, the advance payment was 99,600, another trip was 99,000. So the total advance paid was 1,89,600. Since we transferred the advance directly to the bank account, we collected his bank details. There is where the problem happened. The bank passbook showed a name of Rahul Vyas. When we questioned it, he said that it is not my account. I don't own any. This is my brother's account. Please transfer the money to that account. We trusted the explanation and transferred the advance. But when we started tracking the truck through FASTag, we noticed something strange. The loads were supposed to go to south. Cochin and Sivagasi both are South India. But the truck was moving towards the north. That's when we got suspicious. Our further investigation, we discovered that the person driving the truck was not Mohammed Waris. It was Rahul Vyas. He had forged documents and taken the load under the name of Mohammed Waris. The moment we confirmed this, we started our recovery process immediately. First, we called the National Cybercrime Helpline 1930 and registered our complaint. We provided all the informations, bank accounts and transaction details. They immediately blocked Rahul Vyas' bank account to prevent further transactions. The case was forwarded to the local cybercrime unit where the transaction location was registered. We personally met the officials, provided all supporting documents to strengthen the case. The police registered a case under section 106/3 and 503 of the BNSS. Using the FIR copy, we filed the petition in the court requesting for fund recovery. After reviewing the petition, the court directed to the cybercrime authorities to contact the bank and recover the amount. The entire 1,89,600 was recovered successfully. At the same time, our field team located the truck and secured the load safely. When we confronted Rahul Vyas over the phone, he arrogantly replied, "Yes, I cheated you." But because of the quick action from the cybercrime department and police, we could recover our money and load safely. We thank National Cybercrime Authorities, V7 Nolambur Police Station, Anna Nagar Cybercrime Unit and the Honorable Court for their quick action. Many scams like this are happening through forged documents. If you ever transfer money and realize that is a scam, immediately file a police complaint. Call the bank branch manager where the money was transferred and start putting pressure. If the money has not moved out of the account, recovery is very much possible. The faster you act, the higher the chance of recovering your amount. Before assigning any load, always verify documentation thoroughly. Don't ignore even a single detail. Through this video, we hope you understand how identity scam happens in trucking and what action you should take to recover your money.